Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can create a variable product in WooCommerce. So for that, go to your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin named as Variation Swatches. So to install a plugin, we need to visit our plugin section. So in the sidebar, you will be able to see the plugin option after scrolling a little bit down. So click on the plugins area and then click on add new. And now you need to write the name of the plugin in that keyword or the search plugin area. So write here the name of the plugin, and the name of plugin is Variation Swatches. Okay, and then hit enter. Here you can see the first option, that plugin named as Variation Swatches for WooCommerce by Imran Ahmed. Click on install and then click on activate. Now let's discuss the about the plugin. What the plugin will do? The plugin will create variations for your product. Okay, so let's consider that you have a product that contains size that is in two different things, like in size and in different flavors. Okay, so you want to create variations for them. For example, a user came and he is looking for the same product in 1 kg and the other is looking for 2 kg. Then you don't need to create two different products. You can do the same thing in a single product by using this variation swatches option. So let's try this. So go to plugin, go to products area and click on add all products. Okay, so here we have a product. Okay, now let's try to convert the simple product into variable product. So scroll a little bit down and search for the product data. So here is product data, and now select the variable product instead of the simple product. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make attributes for our product. So remove the already created attributes. So we are going to create our custom product attribute. So click on that, and here I'm writing color. Okay, and here I'm going to show the values, like this have two colors like golden, and the second one is rose gold. Okay, so here we have two colors. Okay, so here we have two colors, right? And don't forget to tick the use for variation option. Okay, now create one more attribute, and that will contain weight. Okay, the first one carries 5 gram and the second is 10 gram. Okay, and click on the used for variation and then save attributes. Okay, here our attributes are saved. Now go to variation option. Before going to variation option, you need to make sure that you have created attributes, right? Now click on add variation and it will open a drop down for you. Now click on that and click on go, right? Okay, now it will create variation for all attributes automatically by itself. Okay, so here you can see that we have four variations, like golden color with 5 gram, golden color with 10 gram, rose gold with 5 gram, and rose gold with 10 gram. Okay, so here click on the first one. It will expand a prompt for you. Now here you can create some more things, like you can make a picture for that as well. For example, I want to show this image when the user click on the on this variation. Okay, now from here you can manage your stock, and here you need to put the pricing for all these, right? For example, it starts from 10,000 and its selling price is 9,099. Now here you can put the remaining things as well if it is required for you, but it's not required in my case, so I'm not going to fill all these things. Now in the other case you need to do the same thing. For example, this time I put this image. It's just for explaining you because I don't have any other image right now, so please adjust with this. Now click on set variation, and here you need to put the price again. For example, this one is little more expensive, 19,099, right? Okay, now in the other two cases you need to do the same thing. Okay, here we are done. Now you need to click on save changes. Okay, now you need to publish the product. Click on update. We have already published the product, then you need to click on update. Okay, now let's go and check how it appears, right? So here is our product which appears something like this. Right now, what if I want to I want to add the product in cart directly? Then the user will not be able to do this thing because he need to select a variation first. Then he can go for the cart section. Right now, golden with a 5 gram. It shows that it contains 10 pieces in stock, and here you can see the pricing for that as well. Okay, now if I click on add to cart, from here I can manage my quantity. Like I want 2 pieces, then I can add one. Now click on add to cart. Okay, the product is now in our cart. Let's check it. So here you can see that we have 2 pendant in our cart, and if you want to proceed with your cart, then you can go with it. Okay, from here you can proceed to your checkout page. So I hope after watching this video you will be able to create a variable product for your WooCommerce site. If you are facing any issue, then you can ask me through comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Till then, bye, take care.